Hello, my name is Danny and I am the manufacturing team leader for the trace gas systems at LI-COR, and today we will be talking about the battery door and some of the issues and how to resolve them. It's a pretty easy fix. We'll be using a M2.5 millimeter bit, some pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. So I think one of the main issues is when people latch these, they push too hard without having it locked in place, and in turn that pushes out the latch and it won't latch anymore after that. So the correct way to latch it is hold this perpendicular and wiggle it and then latch. So I have one over here that doesn't latch. It doesn't reach the latch. So to fix it, it would be a pretty simple fix. All we would have to do is take out our battery tray in order to give us more room. So this is held by 4 screws, and we'll be using our hex bit to get these out. And we don't have to unplug anything, we can just move it off to the side. And then we will take a screwdriver and we'll pry this off. We just have to remove it. So we have our battery latch over here. And in order to get this to work, all we would need to do is on this end, we just need to grab our pliers and squeeze it a little bit. So once we have it squeezed, we can install it back. So it looks more like this, so it doesn't stick out. And we can get this thing installed back, and we can test our battery door to make sure it latches. And then once we know it latches good, we can install the battery tray back in. And to install the battery tray back in order to make sure that all the screws line up, start the screws halfway and then tighten them the rest of the way once they're all in. And then we have a functioning battery door.